Hi guys, so today we are going to be showing you a glimpse of Asaba to Onitsha concrete road construction. So we did not do an in-depth tour this time around because there's nothing much to show about the road. So later in the video, I'll be giving you all the gist you need to know concerning the road this time around. Welcome back to our channel guys. So today we are exploring the Asaba Onitsha express route construction. So since I've been exploring this route and showing you all the latest updates, I've not been able to tell you the name of the company handling the project. So but today we're gonna be doing that. So the name of the company is BAECC. I think African partners or something like that. That is the full meaning. So we can go online and search more about them. It's a BAECC. Is the name of the company handling the project. So like I said in my intro, I didn't do an in-depth tour this time around because what I saw right now, I was not impressed at all. It's as if the road is just there, nothing is going on. The road is just moving sluggishly, like they are not even it's not adding up at all. Everything there is just moving so slow. Where they currently are now is before the obsas mess. That's where they are, and currently they are not even working. They has not been working for the past, should I say, 4 or 5 days or 1 week now. They have not been working around here, even across the summits where I did not hate to, but I have visited there, but I'm not making any video. Across summits, nothing is going on. Nothing is going on there apart from that the few places they left, they have completed some part of it, but aside that there's nothing else that is going on there. So the road seems abandoned, or maybe I can't really tell what is going on. So we are actually on top of that road currently because what is happening around here now is that every morning and evening there used to be heavy traffic along here, heavy hold up. People spend hours here before they get through, especially when it rains. So some drivers are now doing a bit bypass and then follow this route to wherever they are going, maybe to Kokau or to Officers Max, where they will finally join the normal route. So we are currently running on that road. You can see the looks of it. These looks of the route currently. This is how it looks like. So this is the old ones they have already did, heading towards Coca. So we get to the Coca. We started from where they are right now, around there before that officer's mess, then heading to Coca. That is where I ended my video. I did not do that was it called that summit road heading to Mechanic Village axis. I do not do those ones. So right now they block this side and the driver have to come down and rejoin back again on the road. So this is how they just maneuver the traffic that is happening around here. So my own suggestion is that if they are not very fast enough about the road, they should also like open up the route so that motorists can be using it to ease the traffic that used to happen here. Honestly, the reason why traffic is not happening around here today is because today is Easter Monday. Yeah, today is Easter Monday, I think, or Easter Sunday. Sorry, I think I did this video either Easter Sunday or Easter Monday also. So that is why the road is a bit empty. You can hardly find any traffic because not much people on the road. But honestly, if we pass through here during business hours, you will notice what I'm telling you. So the road is used to be busy. A lot of traffic used to happen here because of this. So the road, honestly, nothing much is happening here. They are not working on it currently. Like everything is just moving too slow for me. It's moving too slow. I was expecting that by now this road would have been completed, or that necessary thing would have been put in place, but they are not doing it. So guys, if you have been applying on this road, tell us your experience. Have you witnessed any traffic jam around here, or you have not applied on the road recently? Let us also know. So this is the looks of thing currently. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click on the like button, click on the notification bell, and don't also forget to share the video to get to wider audience. Do have a wonderful day till we meet again in our next update. Bye.